Busy day in the news world and in the weather world. And Kelly, at least in the metro area, it's mostly rain. It's a lot of rain that we're dealing with.
It is, yeah. And since this morning, it has tapered off a little too. So we are enjoying a few more drier moments, lighter showers and sprinkles around Portland now. You can even see that here on our KOIN tower cameras, looking towards the southwest there. But you can see those drops on the camera lens. Temperatures are still very mild right now, mid-50s. We saw those temperatures hiking up right around 2 to 3 o'clock this morning when that heavy rain rolled in and when those gusty southwest winds pushed up. We're seeing sustained winds around 16 miles per hour. And again, we'll see some dry moments, dry hours this afternoon in Portland, but back to some rain showers as we head into our evening. Now, again, much of the rain is up towards the north. It's also grazing portions of the north coast of Oregon. Heavy rain up towards the Washington coast. And again, just a lot of rain here across the I-5 corridor out in southern Washington. So that is where some major flooding is likely here as we head into the next 24 hours. A quick look at our monthly rain total so far. The 1st through the 5th, we've tracked over 3 inches of rain, which is more than half of the month's normal amount of rain. And again, it's only been the first 5 days. We're above normal by over 2 inches. Since the start of the water year back in October 1st, we've seen 20 inches of rain and a surplus close to 5 inches. So it has been real rainy here since the start of fall and also since the start of the new year. Quick look at our river flood stages here. We're looking closely towards the Washington and Oregon coast. There are several rivers that are at or near flood stage. Now, these rivers here are forecast to hit the minor flood stage there in orange. Moderate flooding possible near the Nehalem River out towards Foss. And again, we're tracking a lot of rivers mostly towards the coast. Heavy rain still focused out there throughout Friday. We could see inches of rain on top of the already record rain in some spots near Astoria and parts of southwest Washington. The Willapa River could possibly see record flooding as we head into tomorrow. So if you're out that way, be extra careful, avoid the flooded roads. Temperatures out towards the coast also in the 50s. We're still seeing rain near Astoria. Winds have also been real gusty today. The coast under a high wind warning going into tonight. We've already seen some peak wind speeds here, some wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour near Astoria and close to 35, 40 mile per hour gusts out towards the coast. Portland now tracked wind gusts up to 38 miles per hour. Again, that high wind warning out to the coast that goes into effect tonight through Friday morning. We could see some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour all along the coast here across the winds coming in from the south. That may cause power outages, so do charge those devices in the valley, including Portland and the Vancouver metro area. Today through tomorrow, we could see some wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So blustery for us too. Quick look at our wind gust forecast. You can see those winds ramping up through the overnight hours. That's when those winds will be the strongest here going into midnight and beyond through early Friday morning around Portland, Salem even. Could see some wind gusts up to 35 or even 40. So here's a rainfall futurecast. Much of the rain stays up towards the north. We'll start to see it bouncing back down, introducing some stronger showers here heading into our evening time. Overnight, that rain picks up along with those winds, so a blustery start on Friday. We'll see pockets of heavy rain, more mountain snow as we cool up there. The good news is this model shows us drying out as we head towards Friday evening. Saturday, a few lingering showers, but then the weekend arrives and we should push the system out the door, and we are expecting some dry conditions heading into our weekend, even some sunshine. So for today, still tracking heavy rain towards the north, a little drier Tillamook and southward, gusty winds that will ramp up tonight. In Portland, temperatures will likely sit in the mid-50s to low 50s the rest of the evening. Overnight lows tonight back in the upper 40s, so still very mild out there. And again, we'll see off and on showers around Portland and gusty conditions setting up here going into the overnight hours. So again, tomorrow still tracking some rainy moments here and some blustery conditions with those winds. Temperatures around 50 degrees tomorrow. But then we shape up for the weekend. We should see some drier conditions and again, a little bit more sunshine as we head towards our weekend.
We need it at this point.
All right. We really do.
We'll be right back.